If you're looking to lose weight and get in the best shape of your life, the Weight Loss Ultimatum is the perfect program for you. Our nationally certified trainers will lead you through group workouts involving cardiovascular training, strength training, and core exercises that will improve balance and coordination. You'll find yourself losing weight and inches, as well as being able to enjoy physical activity with your friends and family. Finding tasks that were once difficult, now easy and fun. Our Weight Loss Ultimatum has 3 class times. Monday and Wednesday, 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. Tuesday, Thursday, 6 to 7 a.m. or 5:30 to 6:30 p.m. You can use our secure payment options to purchase 4 or 8 week Weight Loss Ultimatum packages.